Want to build this cool slide? Let's start by turning the background black to create a power cut effect. Add more slides and desired text with related icons. Color them as you like. Copy and paste 5 more slides. As the points appear one by one in the presentation, we want each point to remain on the next slide, showing up one by one, hence removing points from each slide accordingly. For the point we'll focus on, I'm turning it white. Repeat for all slides. Add a circle and trapezium shape, adjust them to look like a light beam from a torch, and soften the edges for a realistic effect. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Your feedback will help me improve and match videos to your liking. Add a torch icon as the light source. Group all 3 for easy adjustments on other slides. Don't forget to add shadows to the text for a realistic look. Repeat for all slides. Now, ungroup the torch from each slide. Now let's animate. First, apply the fly-in animation for the torch. Selecting bottom left to align with the torch's direction. Set it to start with previous, so the animation begins with the slide. Next, for the light beam, select both shapes and text with appear animation, and set them to start after previous with a 0.50 second delay. Still here? A like and subscribe would mean a lot. Keep an eye on the order by opening the animation pane. Add a color pulse animation for the circle and trapezium, and set them to start after previous, using black from the effects options. Ensure it starts with previous from animation pane. Repeat these steps for every slide. Finally go to Transitions and select Fade. Don't forget to subscribe, and slide a topic for me to build your next presentation on.